हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म एग्रीकल्चर अकेडमी। तो आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे। और अभी जो आपका आईसीआर पीजी पीएचडी का काउंसलिंग चल रहा है, आज लास्ट डेट है। आप लोग चॉइस फिलिंग कर सकते हैं और मेरा वीडियो भी जो है रिगार्डिंग चॉइस फिलिंग हम लोग एक वीडियो भी अपलोड किए थे हमारे टीम मेंबर्स। उसमें आप जाके चेक कर सकते हैं कैसे क्या प्रोसीजर है। और अभी हम स्टूडेंट डिमांड एक सीट मैट्रिक्स रह गया था, सीट मैट्रिक्स के ऊपर थोड़ा डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले आप लोगों को जो है गूगल क्रोम पे जाना है। गूगल क्रोम में जाके ICARadmission.in सर्च करना है। इसके बाद ये इंटरफेस आपके पास आ जाएगा। देन यू हैव टू गो डाउन साइड, स्क्रॉल कर करके आपको जाना है ICAR काउंसलिंग पीजी ब्राउजर में। फिर इसके बाद आपको इधर ये ब्राउजर दिख जाएगा, AIEE29 ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग ब्राउजर। PG degree for 30% state seat in state agriculture university and 100% ICR dues. Deemed university means all IRA hubs and IRA Delhi. Then three central university comes under this 100% seat. So here you can see the subject-wise seat matrix of university, PG seat matrix. So you can see here all the others information, also instruction for the candidates, deadline, method of selection. You can talk in other video. Then we'll go to seat matrix now, and you can see here the deadline, timeline regarding all your first round, second round, third round. We have already made one video regarding this also. So we can start subject wise and university wise PG matrix seat. First is biochemistry. Biochemistry, you can see here this much seats. Here ICR seat you are on reserved SC, ST, OBC, AWS. Then molecular biology, biotechnology. Here you can see in all the university like Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University, then IRI, IGKB, or you can see here total of 110 seats, and IRI hub also seats are there. Then you can go for plant physiology. Plant physiology also same. You can see this much in plant physiology. Total 78 seats for generals, in that 39 for general, 12 for others. You can check here. Then for genetics, plant breeding, you can see different university seats. (259) seat. ICR seat and plant pathology, you can see here. Plant pathology, all agriculture university seat they have given here. And IRA hub, different IRA hub also they have mentioned here, you can see here. Then next we'll see microbiology. And for one student message me in for a PhD counseling, वो बोल रही थी कि उसका माइक्रोबायोलॉजी ओनली वन ही कॉलेज आ रहा है IRA, तो उसमें टेक्निकल ग्लिच है कुछ, और इसलिए आप थोड़ा टाइम टू टाइम चेक करते रहना। और बाकी कॉलेजेस ऑप्शन भी आ रहा है, ये थोड़ा टाइम टू टाइम चेक करना पड़ रहा है उसके लिए, इसलिए आप घबराइए मत। लॉग इन करके आप बीच बीच में चेक करते रहना, आ जाएगा। लेकिन आज रात तक है, या तो आप उनका हेल्पलाइन नंबर पे, टोल फ्री नंबर पे जो दिया है उस पर आप कॉल करके बता सकते हैं उन लोगों को। तो मेल करना 2-3 बार। सीटेक है इधर, आचार्य नरेंद्र देव, देखिए IRA है total 68, then 34 general, 10 for SC, ST, AWS, others quota. Then plant genetic resource only present in IRI only. Here you can see 3 seats for ICR seat, that is 2 for general, 1 for OBC, 1 for AWS. In agricultural metrology, you can see here. Soil science, you can see here. IRA you can see here. Environmental science, entomology. In entomology, total 220 seats ICR, other general 116, 34 SC, 17 ST, and others you can use WS, other you can see PWD, UPS. Nematology you can also see here, 20 seats for ICR, 10 seats for general, 3 for SC, 3 for ST, 2 for ST, 5 for OBC, and other UPS, PWD category. Then sericulture, here also you can see 17. Here you can see all. Then agronomy. Agronomy you can see 277. Agricultural economics. You can see here all university. Then agricultural extension. Extension education you can see here all the seats of different university. Then statistics you can see here Acharya Narendra Deva, Bihar Agricultural University. Then for total 44, 23 general, 6 SC, 3 ST, 12 OBC, and other. Computer application you can also see bioinformatics, vegetable science, you can see here. Then fruit science, then plantation species you can see, forest product utilization, silviculture, agroforestry you can also see here. Total number of seats 850, 26 general, 7 this one. Forest resource management, irrigation drainage engineering, then processing food engineering, farm machinery, then farm machinery total 68, renewable energy engineering, and food nutrition, and resource management, consumer science, apparel and textile science you can see here. Extension education, communication management, fishery also you can see here. Fish processing technology you can see here. Aquatic animal health management, fishery extension, then aquatic environment management, fish genetics and breeding you can see here. Total 9 seats are there. UR 5, SC1, ST1, OBC1. Dairy microbiology, dairy technology, dairy fishing, food processing technology you can see here. Food safety quality sheet, agribusiness management also there. ABM you can see here all the seats. Water science and technology, The counseling reserves the right to correct the typographical error if any. Number of seat can change account of addition and deletion of seat program. You can see here, if any mistake, they are taking accountability also. Then subject and category wise ICAR PG scholarship we can discuss in another video. That one, how many ICAR JRF seat in that. So thank you so much. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. एंड आपका अगर कुछ डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. हमारा टीम मेंबर जो है उसका रिप्लाई आपको दे देगा कुछ भी इशू हो रहा है रिगार्डिंग काउंसलिंग. थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड शेयर among your friends. Thank you.